Ever felt lost in a maze of code changes or struggled to collaborate smoothly on a project? Today, we're demystifying Git and GitHub, revealing how they revolutionize software development. Git is a distributed version control system that tracks changes to your files over time. Think of it as a detailed history book for your code, allowing you to revert to previous versions, compare changes, and work on different features simultaneously without messing up the main project. These changes are tracked locally on your computer. The basic workflow starts with initializing a Git repository, adding files to be tracked, and then committing them with descriptive messages. This creates snapshots of your project at different stages. Now, where does GitHub come in? GitHub is a web-based platform that hosts Git repositories in the cloud. It's like a central hub where you can store your code, collaborate with others, and manage your projects. GitHub enables seamless collaboration through features like branching, pull requests, and issue tracking. Branching allows you to work on new features or bug fixes in isolation, while pull requests provide a structured way to propose and review changes before merging them into the main code base. With GitHub, you can easily track who made what changes and when. This creates a transparent and accountable development process, fostering better teamwork. By using Git and GitHub effectively, you'll unlock improved workflows, better collaboration, and more manageable projects. Welcome to more efficient software development.